So coming back to that, we have to give it to this government that there has been no major scam which has come out, but there is a problem of the other kind. तो सर ये बहुत डिस्कशन होती हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स पे, बट इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर अ गवर्नमेंट टू कंट्रोल दीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस?
They have controlled, and it was in evidence. Not a question of possibility. Every institution was controlled. Media was controlled. ECI, Election Commission was controlled. Every ED was controlled. CBI was controlled. Everyone was controlled.
तो ये मतलब दिस इज कॉमन नॉलेज कि दिस वाज कंट्रोल.
Absolutely. Who would say no to it?
They are also changing the way they are elected. That's another issue.
Look at that, the way ACI members. In the current scenario, people have started doubting it because earlier also government nominated ECI. No one doubted that.
सर काउंटर ये आता है कि पहले भी तो ऐसे होता था, कांग्रेस भी तो यूज करती थी.
पहले I can't recall a single instance where top politicians make the statements that they did during these elections and get away with it. I can't. I mean, I have had experience in the government and outside. I can't recall an instance of such statements being, so to say, ignored by the Election Commission of India. And saying that we didn't ask the top leaders. Why not? Should have been asked. At least a notice should have been issued, if nothing else. I mean, don't...
Notice was issued to the party president
No,
of
why
both
not
the
to the
parties.
person who made the statement? Notice should have been. Person made the statement, issue a notice. I'm not saying ultimately you disqualify him, but at least show your intent. That intent was missing, so you get away with blue murder. You keep on saying.
But अब इसको क्या रिवर्स किया जा सकता है? Because election commission का जो selection process है, that is now different.
देखिए,
now somebody will come and reverse it because
it's not reversal. They will do what they should be doing it. It's not reversal.
Sir, should is a very subjective.
It's a very clear term. You talk to anybody, and he will tell you these statements were not compliant with the code of conduct. Anybody, whichever party here and there, अकेले में वो भी कह देगा. आप एक नोटिस तो इशू कर सकते थे ना. भाई सरकार या इंस्टीट्यूशन इकबाल से चलता है, फेथ से चलता है. इकबाल का मतलब ही नहीं कि मैं आपको डंडा मारूंगा. इकबाल ये है कि अगर आप गलती करेंगे आपको डंडा पड़ेगा.
या पड़ सकता है. PR तो कर सकता है.
You have a reasonable belief that you'll be hit. If that belief is gone, then the system collapses.
Is the belief back now? Will it be back?
I hope so. I don't know whether it will be or not. I'm hopeful. As I said, I'm an optimist.